All right. First couple of questions I have. What is the first year you could buy a Corvette in a color other than white? And what colors were available in that year? Okay? So what is the first year you could buy a Corvette in a color other than white? And what were the colors? Second question is, in 1955, the Corvette received the V8. Okay. How can you identify, and there were 625 of them in 1955 that had V8s. How could you identify the car that it was a V8 versus a six-cylinder without popping the hood? You know how you can identify a 1955 Corvette that had a V8? If you know the answers, come on up to the booth.
¿Cuál nos llevamos? ¿Cuál nos llevamos?